Hi, this is Rob coming to you from the lower mainland of Vancouver, British Columbia from IronFind.ca. Today we're going to show you a 2012 Mack CXU613. It has currently 526,500 kilometers, 7532 engine hours. The engine is a Mack MP8, 505 horsepower, jake brake, and double diff locks. The transmission is a 12-speed automated Mack N-drive transmission. Front axle rating is 12,000 pounds on spring suspension, and the rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds, axle model MT40-14XP on a Mack Air Ride suspension. It has a gear ratio of 3.36 with 11R 22-inch rubber all around. Aluminum inner and outer wheels all around. A 210-inch wheelbase, dual 125-gallon fuel tanks, a 60-inch single sleeper, and the CVI will be freshly supplied. Along with this truck, the low Ks on it, it does have extended warranty through True North. The extended warranties are good to February 19th or 673,942 kilometers. There is a $300 deductible per occurrence. Now what we'll do is we'll walk around this truck, give you a look at it from a distance. And then we'll come up a little closer. The truck currently runs into the US. I may mention that if anybody's also looking for a job, the job is also available. Contact me for details on the monthly income with this job. The gentleman is retiring, and he'll sell the truck and the job together. We're going to get in a little closer and take a look at this unit. We'll start with the grill. The grill looks pretty good. There's no visible damage. Check out the bumper. And the bumper and the headlights look fine. No damage on the hood. There's a little bit of scratches right there, as you can see. And we'll pull back out a little bit here. The rest of it looks pretty good. Fender mirror's fine. We'll step out, take a look at the mirrors. The door assembly all seems to be good. The mirrors have no visible damage. Stairs look good. I'll stand back and just look at the sleeper unit. It's a stand-up sleeper, 60-inch, single sleeper. Fuel tanks, no damage on that. Look good. Look at the back of the cab here. And the back of the cab is in very good shape. No visible damage on this side whatsoever. Now we'll step out here, come in between axle 2 and 3. Air ride suspension. As I mentioned, it's a Mack Air Ride. The tires. I will have still pictures on the website if you want to take a little better look at them. I'll give you the best look I can right here. You can see it's sunny today, so we'll see what kind of look we get on it, but they look like they have quite a bit of tread on them. Go around the back of the truck. And come in, take a look at the frame and differentials. differential there. And look up as far as we can. And take a look down there. You can see it's pretty clean there. Differentials look good. And we'll go to the other side of the truck. Chain hangers are at the back of the truck, as you can see. We'll come around this side. And we'll come in again, rear axles 2 and 3. Take a look in between the frame and the wheels. Everything looks good. Again, the tires, like I said, I'll have stills on the website, IronFind.ca, and I'll have lots of pictures there. Access to your back is good. Steps are fine. A little bit of damage I noticed on my pre-inspection here. Been nicked, but he said he'll take care of that. Once the truck is sold, he'll make sure that that's repaired. He'll have that repaired. So, besides that, looks like there's a bracket that came off there. Like he said, he'll repair that. Besides that, the actual sleeper itself. Looks fine. Now, go to the stairs under the drive and the fuel tank. Oh, we almost missed the fuel tank there. It's in good shape. Come back here, take a look at your access stairs. They look good. And the hood on this side, no visible damage whatsoever. So we'll step inside this truck and look at the sleeper. Take a look first at the seats. They look fine. Passenger seat as well. Looks like it's in good shape. Take a look at the dash. When I start it up, you'll see the kilometers on it, or it might be in mileage because he runs into the US, so he might keep it in miles. There's your controls for your M-drive transmission, the Mack M-drive transmission. Here's your controls, it's automated. Dash on the other side looks to be fine. Take a look at the headliner here. And your storage compartments, and now we'll take a quick look in the sleeper. The 60-inch sleeper, like I mentioned, single bunk. I know the lighting isn't the best in here, but hopefully it'll come out in the video pretty good. I've got the lights on. So it all looks very good condition. He did mention there's a Webasto bunk heater in the unit. And there is your dash from back here, you can see. Now we're going to start this unit up in a second here. We'll take a look at the wait for it to cycle. It's in neutral. Just doing its cycle. No maintenance items due. So it looks like we can start it up. We can start. Go underneath and look at the engine. There you go. IronFind.ca 604-996-5159. Call Rob. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.